my name's David Troy, and this is the David Troy Salon. Several weeks since I've actually made a video, and this is why. I've been caught up in watching YouTube myself and watching all the hairdressers that upload videos to YouTube, and I find it fascinating that it's just flooded with all this information, some good, some bad. I wanted to, reset everything, which I spoke about in a video 2 videos ago, and resetting it, I just didn't know which direction to go in. And one of the hardest things to do is not get on here and complain. I don't want to get on here and complain about hairdressing. It would be stupid. But in saying that and trying not to complain, I feel like Instagram and YouTube and social media has somewhat made such a big impact on our industry. It gets a little bit frustrating on how to explain it. People come in with their expectations so unrealistic that it's hard to continue with YouTube knowing that some of the content out there just isn't real. And I want to make this channel as real as possible, and I want to portray who I am as real as possible. And it's hard to sometimes get that across. So please understand, I don't claim to know everything about this industry. I don't think anyone really knows everything. This is just my style and the way I do things. This is just what I do in my salon and what I want to do on YouTube. So please, I don't ever want to come across as someone that knows everything, because I don't. And another reason I'm trying to lose weight, I'm gonna go on a diet. I look at myself on camera and I absolutely hate what I see sometimes, because I don't see the person who I think I am. So I am going to get back on being healthy, and hopefully my goal is to drop about 20 pounds. So let's see how that turns out. I am going to get back to dropping my videos to about 4 to 5 minutes, and what I wanted to share with you guys today is just some of the work I've been doing in the salon. I hope you enjoy it. It's just some images, and I will get back to cutting hair real soon and uploading some more videos. About 6 o'clock in the morning here in Texas. I get to the salon super early so I can work on my YouTube and social media before I actually start my day. My day in the salon sometimes starts, my first client is as early as 7 o'clock in the morning sometimes, if not earlier. And I'm here until about 6 o'clock at night. It's a long day, but I want to get back into making videos. It's managing my time is the most important thing. So please understand that I am getting back into YouTube. I hope you guys stay with me, and I appreciate every subscriber I have. It's overwhelming. I know 1,300 isn't a lot to a lot of people, but to me it's amazing, and I just want to keep growing. So please hit that subscribe button and share these videos with your friends. So if this is the first time you've come across one of my videos, hit that subscribe button for me. Check out some of my other videos. Blah 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 blah. So if this is the first time you've come across one of my videos, I'd love you to check out some of my other stuff. Let me know what you think and leave a comment in the section down below. And, oh, man, blah. Fuck. Try. So if this is the first time you've come across one of my videos, I'd love to hear some feedback. Oh, fuck. So if this is the first time you've come across one of my videos, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you know when I upload. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, fuck. Tired.